Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a interesting new information that we are getting about the Windows 11 operating system and also Windows 10 operating system information, but mostly related to Windows 11, and which is very, very interesting. So, according to, we already knew that there were some Intel documents that were showing a Windows 11 to be released in October. Microsoft has said that in its Windows 11 information when they did the presentation, that it would be available around Christmas for hardware, new hardware, and early next year for people that are actually on Windows 10. Now, of course, we moved to the beta testing phase last week, which, of course, that means it's getting much closer to release. Beta is, one step closer. There's still a couple of things missing, but overall, it also means that the majority of what they want to do is done in Windows 11. So they removed it, but Intel's other documentation, quite a few of them, showing, as you see here, that Microsoft Windows 11 October 2021 update. So that would mean it's possible for October. Now, there's, of course, Windows 10 that will have its update for this fall. So it's kind of interesting. It's interesting that they do call Windows 11 here on this documentation 21H2, when 21H2 is a different thing that will happen in Windows 10, unless they mean that both of them will be installed or released in October, which would be pretty much the time that they do release the Windows operating system. But now another document, and this one from Microsoft's own webpage, that was now removed, also states October as a possible release time for Windows 11. So this is interesting. It would be earlier than they actually announced. Maybe they announced it further in time, or they announced it for later in the year because they didn't want, in case there's some last minute things that they need to fix, like that. They don't look like they're scrambling to put up an operating system or something. But it's interesting to note that it does seem to be more of an October release than anything else right now for Windows 11. So we'll keep posted on this. And for the people that are asking me every single day, did they change the minimum requirements? They did not. Right now, they're staying at the same requirements. So Intel 8 generation or later, and TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot. Like I said, we're going to have to wait until the last minute, because since it's being tested with some insiders in lower generation or older generation processors, there could be a change as time goes by, especially if a lot of people complained. Microsoft often backs off a little bit. So that, if it changes, of course, we'll talk about it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.